Number 44. Using the grid below, join four dots to form a quadrilateral with one pair of parallel lines and one angle that is smaller than a right angle. Label the shape A. Alright, so let's see what you're getting your marks for. It must be a quadrilateral. You must pass through only four dots. Must be a quadrilateral, which is a four-sided figure, no curves. You must pass through four dots. You must have one pair of parallel lines. But it didn't say only one pair, it just said with one pair. Alright, one pair, I guess that means only one pair. That's something to consider. If the child draws a shape with two pairs of parallel lines, it didn't say only. So they should be able to get it correct. That is some of the arguments they have for SEA. And only one angle that is smaller than a right angle. Alright? So, you reason it out, draw different shapes and see what would work. I feel many children would look to connect these four dots on top there. Right. Let's take it to the test. Using the grid below, I used the grid below. Join four dots. I joined four dots to form a quadrilateral. I have a quadrilateral with one pair of parallel sides. Not really. This here is not parallel to that, neither is this parallel to that. And only one right angle. It's possible that this is a right angle. It's possible. So that shape is not correct. So you try different shapes and you test it based on the information below. So I'm going to remove all that. I'm going to draw a correct shape now. However, I want you to bear in mind there could be more than one possible answer. I didn't check to see if there were many. Let's take it to the test. Using the grid below, I use that. Join four dots. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let me use another color. To form a quadrilateral, one side, two sides, three sides, four sides. I have a quadrilateral with one pair of parallel sides. This is parallel to this. Alright. And only one angle that is smaller than a right angle. This here is a right angle, so it's not smaller than a right angle. This here is a right angle, which is not smaller than a right angle. This here is larger than a right angle. This here is smaller than a right angle. So I followed all the criteria. Hooray! I get my full 3 marks. Remember, if you are partly correct, you will get either 1 or 2 marks. Number 45. Now I had to look at number 45 over and over and over again. Not because it's so difficult, because it's so easy. So I was checking to see if there was something that was missing that I didn't see. Probably the scale at the side, something to make it a little difficult. For section 3, alright. Alex was given a 12 centimeter plant to record its growth over 4 days. I see something here. So it's important to read. Yes, Alex was given a 12 centimeter plant. So this is the growth that is being recorded here. I see the trick. So he started off with a plant. And the plant was already 12 centimeters. That's the trick. Alright? Alright. 12 centimeters tall. Great. So we're moving on. What's the height of the plant on day 4? Right? So many persons would have chosen 8 centimeters, which is wrong because he started off with it at 12. Day 1 it grew 2 centimeters, so it's 12 and 2. Day 2 it grew 4 centimeters, so that's 12 plus 4. Day 3 it grew 6 centimeters, so that's 12 plus 6. And day 4 it grew 8 centimeters, which was 12 and 8. So the answer to this was 20. I really found this thing was too easy. Something was wrong with that, man. See, look, I had 8. Erase that. (20 centimeters). If the increase in the plant's height is the same daily, draw the bar to show the increase in height on day 6. Okay, great. The increase in height, not the height. So day 1, 2, day 3, day 2, 4. Look at the pattern, 6, 8. So it should be 10 here, and it should be 12 there. So you draw the bar to show 12. Of course, you'll draw yours neatly. You are not drawing on a screen. I am. That is very, very, very tricky. Great. Great. And that's the end of test. Hooray! Alright, so children, please note this part. He was given a 12 centimeter plant to record its growth over 4 days. So you started off at 12, so you have to add the growth to the plant that you received. Thank you so very much.